what I've learned is when you're out there talking, regardless of what your business is, and you're just educating and you're providing information that people can use, that they can say, okay, I can take that and put it into place. Folks will sort themselves out. Some people will become clients, some people will refer you along. And that's just how a speaking business grows organically over time. That's kind of how the TED Talk materialized. Somebody was referred to me who hired me and liked it and then referred me on to TED organizers. So speaking is a great way to get in front of people. It gives you some credibility. Anyone can do it. I actually have always enjoyed it since high school, but I've known a lot of people who have used speaking to grow their businesses. And the key is just to become comfortable with it. And what I advise people to do, if you're interested in speaking and making it part of your business, join Toastmasters. Great organization. I was in Toastmasters for 4 years, super helpful. Costs about $35 a year to be a member. Have to get up every week before a very friendly audience and speak. So it's wonderful practice. So speaking can be a huge part of anyone's business, and it really is the alpha point for client relationships. So people hear you speak and they say, boy, that sounds interesting. They check out your website, they talk to you afterwards. And then you realize that a speech doesn't change people. You need to go in deeper. We started coaching a few years ago. In mortgage, we started coaching at the mortgage company level. Now our biggest client is Fannie Mae. We coach their relationship managers on building better relationships with the banks, the credit unions, the mortgage companies that they get their loans from. So it's kind of a stair-step thing. And in speaking, you start with small audience, work your way up. Coaching, you start with smaller companies, work your way up, same thing.